HEB Allscape, heavy-duty 26x4 20x4 bike tire, high-performance puncture-resistant fat tire for e-bike mountain bikes, all-terrain bike tire for street plus trail riding. With the growth of adventure biking and elevated biking sports, the need for resilient and high-performance bike tires has never been more vital. The HEB Allscape, heavy-duty 26x4 20x4 bike tire has arrived to satisfy this increasing demand perfectly. With superior durability owing to its quality materials and anti-puncture technology, this fat tire is the ideal solution for e-bikes and mountain bikes. Say goodbye to recurring flat tires, and hello to a thrilling, seamless ride on any terrain. The HEB Allscape is not just restricted to mountain bikes. Its exceptional versatility makes it suitable for electric bicycles, snowmobiles, and other types of bikes as well. So whether you're a professional rider or just ride for the sheer pleasure of it over the weekends, this tire will provide you with unparalleled support. Its versatility extends beyond types of bikes and into weather conditions as well, providing excellent cornering and stability in all riding circumstances. The product highlights its distinct motorcycle tire technology that brings forth a new age of e-bike riding. The high-density rubber with enhanced thickness and high tread quality ensures superior load-bearing capacity and increased endurance. Also, its better speed and handling make it a substantial upgrade on your stock e-bike tires. Boost your ride with the HEB Allscape for an unmatched biking experience. Pros and cons. Pros: puncture-resistant material ensures durability and longevity. Versatile, suitable for numerous types of bikes. Performs well in all weather and terrain conditions. Motorcycle tire technology offers superior load-bearing capacity, enhances speed and handling. Cons: the price might be a little high for some customers, may require professional assistance for installation. Specifications: product type, fat bike tire. Size: available in 26x4, 20x4-inch material, high-density rubber technology, anti-puncture, motorcycle tire technology. Application: electric bicycles, snowmobiles, and other types of bicycles. Final thoughts: with its seamless integration of durability, versatility, and high performance, HEB Allscape heavy-duty fat bike tire has set a benchmark in biking adventure. Upgrade your ride today, make every moment count, and experience ultimate biking like never before.